So hey everyone, welcome back to NIIT YouTube channel. My name is Mukul and today we are looking at something very different from the usual AI tool we explore because Google just dropped something absolutely wild. They have officially launched a brand new AI powered coding environment, basically their version of Cursor, and it's called Google AntiGravity. And here's the craziest part. Google also released their Gemini 3 Pro model, and right now for a limited period of time you can use both AntiGravity and Gemini 3 model completely for free. So yeah, today we are taking AntiGravity out for a full spin. We will explore the interface, test the agent, build a landing page, generate the dashboard of it, and even run multiple agents in parallel, all inside Google new AI IDE. Let's jump right in. So I have already opened the AntiGravity website, and from here if you go to download buttons, you can see you can download the Google AntiGravity IDE for both macOS and Windows, and also you can download the IDE for Linux. And if you scroll up and go to use case, you can see that this IDE can help you build a professional project, front end and full stack project both. So it's a pretty good IDE, and I have already installed the app. So let me just open it up, and boom, this right here is Google new AntiGravity IDE. And if you ever used VS Code or Cursor, this interface will instantly feel similar because yeah, AntiGravity is essentially a VS Code fork. And if you remember, Google recently hired multiple engineers from Vercel VS Code ecosystem, and this is one of the result of that hiring spree. So let me just quickly open the folder. Alright, here we go, a classic VS Code layout. Explorer on the left, editor in the center and terminal at the bottom. But here where things get interesting. AntiGravity gives you two main ways to work with AI, the agent panel and agent manager, where you code side by side with the help of AI. And the agent manager is where when you spin up the multiple sub-agents that can work independently in the background. If you want to open agent manager, you can just click on Ctrl E and there will be new window open for agent manager independently. Let me show you both. So on the right side we have agent panel where it say ask anything, and basically you can talk to AI exactly like you do in Cursor or Windsurf. If I click the model drop down, look at this. We have Google Gemini 3 Pro High, Low, Cloud Sonnet 4.5, Thinking Model of Claude, and GPT also. But for now, let's stick with Gemini 3 Pro High. So a lot of people are saying Gemini 3 Pro is insane when it comes to UI and front-end design. So let's actually test that out, and I will give AntiGravity agent a prompt like create a landing page for AI powered fitness app, name Fitverse, use dark theme, include sections like AI workout generator, progress analytics, train avatar, and a real-time calorie dashboard preview. Keep it clean but powerful. And now I am choosing planning mode. This allows the AI to create plan before implementing the code. Now let's just send the prompt to the agent. Now after giving the prompt, the agent will do everything for us, like writing the backend logic and front-end UI. It will create everything for us. Alright, so now AntiGravity has generated a new file called task.md. This is basically the full breakdown of what it's planning to do based on our Fitverse prompt. So inside the task file, it lists everything step by step, like create a project structure which include index.html, style, script.js, everything. Implement a global style with dark theme, neon accent and typography, build a hero section and build all the subsection like AI workout generator section, progress analytics section, trainer avatar sections, everything. And after that, verify the responsiveness and verify the aesthetic of the website, and finally create a walkthrough of the website. It even show a pretty detailed implementation plan, like literally line by line what it's going to touch. Super helpful because you always know what coming next instead of blindly trusting the AI. And now if I write go with it, the agent will start creating the website for us. And now AntiGravity is installing all the dependencies for us, generating the component, wiring everything up. So yeah, let's just give it some movement to finish doing its thing. And you can see the agent is creating the website step by step, like it created the project structure and it also implemented the global style inside the style.css. And you can see it implemented everything from creating the project structure to build the hero section as well as all the other sections including AI workout generator, train avatar, calories dashboard, everything. Alright, the AI just wrapped up generating the entire Fit First landing page and even verified the build automatically. So I'm just hitting accept all to apply everything. Now you can go to index.html and you will see a whole lot of code that the agent has written for us. Script.js, it has all the logic of our website. Style.js. Now let's just quickly run the program, and for that I will go to terminal here and will write start index.html and hit enter. And here is our final website. We got a dark theme going on with neon accent and smooth glass morphism card at the right side. Clean typography, the sections are placed properly, workout generator, progress analytics, smart integration, everything. We also have a live metabolic here where we have all the macros information we need like calories burned, active time, average heart rate, everything. We also have an elite trainer here where we can train with AI avatar modeled after a world-class athlete. The AI has created some agent for us like Alex Titan, strength and conditioning, Sarah Neon for HIIT and cardio, and Macrozen for yoga and mobility. Nothing overly fancy, but honestly a super strong landing page generated in like 2 minutes. So yeah, that's the website built entirely by AI agent. And anti-gravity doesn't stop only here. You can also open Ctrl E for using agent manager, and in this we can create multiple features simultaneously. But that's for another video. So yeah, this is Google brand new AI IDE AntiGravity, and honestly I am really impressed. The UI is super clean, Gemini 3 Pro integration is smooth, multi-agent workflow is crazy powerful, building Chrome browser, automated UI testing, and for now it's completely free. And keep this in mind, this is literally just day 1. There's a lot more to cover. So if you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode.